Still continuing with the farm work. I'm trying to open this sack so that we can get out the manure, which is poultry waste. The manure is poultry waste. So you can also use inorganic manure, but this one is organic, gotten from the poultry. The purpose is to provide fertilizer for vegetables. That is just the clear purpose, to provide fertilizer for the vegetables. Try your best to remove every stone that you find on the ground. Remove them and mix the soil. Mix it together. At the same time, I want to ask you that you should make a comment. What is your best vegetable? You can put it down. Your best vegetable. Put it down. Just say my best vegetable is. Put the comments. And if you have any area that you want me to go into when it comes to agriculture, you can tell me and I'll definitely make a video on it. So this place is ready for planting, but I will not be planting immediately. I want the manure to be there for at least for some hours. Though some might say, why don't you wait till the next day? It's not mandatory. Most of the things you read in school is not what you find in reality on the farm. When you come to the farm, you have to forget about all you have read in school and face practical. That's why we have many unemployed agriculturists with good degrees. They cannot get a job and they cannot even start because all what they learn is just theory, and theory does not work totally on practical grounds. So try to break the clods of the manure. Try to break it. And make sure that the ground is what I'm comfortable with. I'm not using dough. Sincerely, I don't like bending down. So I do bend down if I need to walk. But and the bed or the field is ready for planting. Well, let this stay for some hours so that if there's any pathogen in the soil, the sun rays will assist to kill harmful pathogens. So the ground is set. The ground is set for you. So if you like what you are seeing, I will encourage you to please subscribe to my station or my channel, alamueducate. Also, I will encourage you to try your best to share this video so that many people can have their homegrown vegetables, and it will reduce the cost of feeding even in your place. This land, as I said, is just about 4 feet by 8, and it's sufficient to feed more than 3 families in a year. The next part will be the planting. Stay tuned, and I have something at the end of this video. I have a manual to give to at least 10 people. Just make your comments, put your email if need be, but at the same time I'm going to put my email, I'm going to put my phone number. You could reach me. I also have manuals I've written in diverse areas in agriculture. If you need them, you can contact me. It's just barely $10. If you are paying dollars but you are paying naira, it's just 4,500 naira. It is very good and can help you to make a meaningful thing out of your time, and can also help you to prospect a vision if you have interest in agriculture. God bless. The next session is going to be the planting. I'll show you how to plant vegetable. I'll also show you how to treat vegetable that has hard coats around it. Stay tuned.